Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Losing important files can happen to anyone. Maybe you accidentally deleted family photos, formatted the wrong drive, emptied the recycle bin, or your storage device suddenly became inaccessible. Fortunately, there are recovery tools designed to help in these situations. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at Stellar Windows Data Recovery, a Windows data recovery solution that helps recover lost or deleted files from a wide range of storage devices. Let's dive in and see what it has to offer.
Stellar Windows Data Recovery is a DIY data recovery software for Windows that is designed to recover lost or deleted data in many common data loss situations. According to Stellar, the software can recover documents, photos, videos, emails, audio files, archives, and many other file types from internal hard drives, SSDs, USB flash drives, memory cards, and external storage devices. Whether the files were accidentally deleted, lost after formatting a drive, or became inaccessible due to file system corruption, the software is built to help recover them through an easy step-by-step process.
One of the first things you'll notice is the clean and modern interface. Instead of overwhelming users with technical options, Stellar guides you through the recovery process. First, you choose the type of files you want to recover. You can recover everything or focus on specific categories, such as documents, photos, videos, audio, emails, or other file types. Next, simply select the location where your files were lost, whether it's an internal drive, external drive, USB flash drive, or memory card. Everything is clearly organized, making it suitable even for users with little technical experience.
Once you've selected the drive, click Scan to begin searching for recoverable files. The software performs a quick scan first, allowing you to recover recently deleted files quickly. If the missing files aren't found, you can enable Deep Scan, which performs a much more comprehensive search across the storage device. Deep Scan is especially useful when recovering files after formatting, partition issues, or more complex data loss situations.
Another useful feature is the ability to preview recoverable files before restoring them. This lets you verify that you found the correct photos, documents, or other supported files before saving them. The free version also allows users to scan and preview recoverable files before deciding whether to purchase the software, making it easy to evaluate the recovery results first. Stellar Windows Data Recovery supports recovery from many different storage devices, including internal hard drives, SSDs, external hard drives, USB flash drives, SD cards, and memory cards. The software also supports recovery of hundreds of file formats, including Microsoft Office documents, PDFs, photos, videos, audio files, compressed archives, and email files. Besides standard file recovery, Stellar includes several features that improve the recovery experience. You can search for specific files after scanning, pause the scan when needed, preview files during the scanning process in the latest versions, and resume recovery using saved scan information without starting over. These features are particularly useful when scanning large storage devices that may take longer to complete. Overall, Stellar Windows Data Recovery offers an intuitive interface combined with powerful recovery capabilities. The guided workflow makes it accessible for beginners, while features like Deep Scan, File Preview, support for multiple storage devices, and recovery from formatted or corrupted drives provide additional flexibility for more challenging recovery situations. As with any recovery software, the best chance of recovering deleted files is to stop using the affected drive immediately after data loss to avoid overwriting the deleted data. If you're looking for an easy-to-use Windows data recovery solution, Stellar Windows Data Recovery is definitely worth considering. You can download the free version to scan your drive and preview recoverable files before making a purchase. If you'd like to learn more or download the software, check the official link in the video description below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest software reviews, tutorials, and giveaways. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.